In this mind map, I'll be outlining the brain's regions, functions, and connection to the body using an analogy of a highly integrated car system. Each part has a specialized function, but all parts must work together for the whole system to operate effectively. Color-coded each part by function to assist in understanding their roles and how they connect. Start with the cerebral cortex. I've compared this to the car's body or main control shell. The cerebral cortex is responsible for high order functions such as thinking, planning, sensation, movement, and conscious awareness. Within the cerebral cortex, the prefrontal cortex acts as a GPS system, helping us plan, make decisions, solve problems, and work towards our goals. The primary motor cortex functions like the accelerator and steering wheel because it controls your voluntary movement. This falls under the movement category. While in contrast, the primary somatosensory cortex acts like a dashboard, receiving information about touch, pain, temperature, and pressure. The occipital lobe is represented as a rear view camera because it processes visual information and helps us interpret what we see. Next section of the mind map focuses on communication. The left and right hemispheres work together but specialize in different functions. The left hemisphere is generally associated with language and analytical processing, while the right hemisphere contributes to more creativity and spatial processing. These hemispheres communicate through the corpus callosum, which acts as a communication bridge. Communication continues through the central nervous system, spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system acts as the body's main control system. The spinal cord functions as like a transmission shaft, carrying messages between the brain and the body, while the peripheral nervous system acts like electrical cables that send sensory information to the brain and motor commands back to the muscles and organs. The limbic system is represented as the car's memory and alarm system. The amygdala helps detect threats and generate emotional responses, while the hippocampus is responsible for forming and storing memories. This falls under the emotion and memory category. The cerebellum is compared to the suspension and stability control system because it coordinates balance, posture, and smooth movement, whereas the brainstem functions like an idle system, controlling automatic processes such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure that help keep us alive without conscious effort. Overall, the mind map demonstrates that the brain is as an integrated system where communication, sensation, movement, emotion, memory, and automatic functions all work together, just as a car relies on many interconnected systems to operate.